It's our fourth day in Japan and we're going to Mount Fuji. This is actually my second time to Mount Fuji and last time nag-tour package kami. But this time, gusto kong masubukang mag-DIY and let me show you how. If you don't know, malayo ang Mount Fuji from Tokyo, like almost 2 hours away din. There are different ways to go to Mount Fuji pero pinili naming mag-bus kasi it's cheaper compared to other options. We got our round-trip bus tickets online at highwaybus.com for only 4,400 yen. Just make sure that your destination is at Kawaguchiko Station kasi ito yung Terminal 2 and from the tourist attractions around Mount Fuji. Anyway, we're departing from Shinjuku Expressway Bus Terminal. Bus tour. So you have assigned seats. The bus is quite spacious and the seats are comfortable. There's Wi-Fi, saksakan to charge your phones, at CR na medyo masikip but clean and it has all the essentials. And of course, in Japan, laging on time ang bus, so at exactly 7:25 AM bumiyahe na kami. Sa bus na rin kami nag-breakfast. Nagbaon lang ako ng tuna and egg sandwich. Also, may heavy traffic din pala in Japan. We were stuck in traffic for a while pero bumilis na din ang biyahe after leaving Tokyo. FYI, you will be picking up and dropping off other passengers along the way. Nadaanan din namin yung sikat na Lawson's with a view of Mount Fuji. Actually, walking distance lang siya from Kawaguchiko Station. And we're finally here. We arrived on schedule which is at exactly 9:10 AM. So 1 hour and 45 minutes yung buong biyahe. Again, second time ko na in Mount Fuji but I'm just as excited as before. I'll post more about my experience in my next video so do like and follow to stay updated. But for now, ipapakita ko din kung paano kami bumalik to Tokyo. So during my last trip, sobrang na-traffic kami pabalik ng Tokyo. Late na din kasi umalis yung tour bus namin. So this time, I made sure na we book an early return time to avoid heavy traffic. And gusto pa kasi naming mamasyal pabalik sa Tokyo. Sa Kawaguchiko Station din ang pick up and at exactly 2:40 PM bumiyahe na kami. Unfortunately, sobrang lala pa rin ng traffic kahit maaga kami umalis. So be sure to bring some snacks and drinks. Buti na lang din may CR sa bus kasi ginabi na kami sa daan. We were supposed to be back to Shinjuku Expressway Bus Terminal at 4:25 PM but instead we arrived at 6:50 PM. Grabe, 2 hours and 25 minutes kaming na late. So 4 hours and 10 minutes kaming nasa bus pabalik ng Tokyo. Ang lala. Do not underestimate Japan traffic. If you have the budget, I would highly suggest taking the express train pabalik ng Tokyo. Yes, it's more expensive but you'll save a lot of time. Save this video para may guide kayo if you want to DIY your trip to Mount Fuji. Nag-DIY lang din kami to the tourist spots around Mount Fuji and I'll be posting all about it in my next videos, so stay tuned for part 2. But if you prefer na mag-tour package, then you can book it through Klook. Use my code and click the link in my bio to get discounts on Klook. You can also watch my video about the Mount Fuji tour package in my profile para may idea kayo. Yun lang, key, thanks, bye!